Hey there, Hassan here. You've seen that viral video of the Indonesian kid on a boat, but what if I told you we could turn it into pure ASCII art? Yeah, like hacking movie style. And we're doing it with Python. No complicated installs, no FFmpeg mess. Let's go? First, make sure you have Python installed. If not, just download it from python.org. Double-click on the file. Click on Add Python to Path. Then install now. Then open CMD to see if it's downloaded properly. As you can see, the Python downloaded successfully. Now let's see the pip. Yeah, the pip is downloaded successfully too. Then, install these 3 packages. Numpy is super fast at handling grids of numbers, and an image is basically just a grid of brightness values. Pillow, or PL, lets us resize and convert images easily, which we need to turn frames into ASCII. Imageio lets us open and read videos frame by frame, so Python can see each picture inside the video. yt-dlp is what downloads YouTube videos straight from the link. It's like a Python-powered video fetcher. So basically, yt-dlp grabs the video, imageio feeds us frames, Pillow reshapes them, and numpy crunches the pixels into characters. Now all these packages downloaded, let's open VS Code. I have already created a file, so I hope it's easy for you, and you will find the code in the comment section. Let's run the file now.